What is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, guys, I'll be analyzing the dollar index, gold, US30 US100 and the German 30. So without wasting time, let us just get straight into it. In front of us, we do have the dollar index, and I'm currently bullish on this market. The reason being, we are currently trending up. As you can tell, we are inside this bullish channel over here. Not only that, I'm mostly interested in this particular area of support. As you can see, this was the previous resistance. So anytime the market was below this support, it sold. And then the market did eventually break above, came back for a retest, and ever since the market hasn't really been able to break below this particular structure of support. So for as long as the market is above that structure, I still believe it has potential to continue higher. So this is my reason for being bullish on this market. Now, how you can trade this market is you need to go to a smaller time frame. So going into the smaller time frame, you will notice that as much as you are looking for buyers on this market, at the moment the market is printing a bearish kind of price action, right? So if you zoom in like this, you can see that we do have an area which was a support over here, and again a support around this area over there, right? So now the market at the moment has broken below this area over here, so it makes sense for us for the week that is coming to assume that the market can continue to go lower, maybe to this support. And from that support, this is where you can expect those bullish buyers to come in. But it doesn't mean you cannot trade this market at the moment. So the way you can trade this market is you need to go to a smaller time frame. I will start on the daily time frame over there, right? So as you look into this market, you can clearly see that last week it wasn't really a good week. The market was pretty much caught up in a range, if you can call it, right? This was a range for me because this was the low of the range. The market bought over there, and then the market sold over there. So now that the market is broken below this particular area, let me zoom in, let me use the line chart. So as you can see, we do have a low over here, right? So now that the market is broken like that, I believe for the week that is coming, this would be a good area for us to expect a retest, and then from there we can take short positions, obviously targeting to push price lower into this area of support, and then from there. But what if then the market, instead of continuing lower, what if the market then decides that, okay, instead of continuing lower, just gonna push higher and then close above this area of support? If then the market behaves in that manner, then it's not a trend smash. If it does that, then we treat this as a support as it is, and then from there we want to buy the market, hoping to break above this resistance, and then a retracement would be nice again for us to expect more bullishness on this market. Apart from that, that is all I have on this market. There's really nothing much that I see. If you see something else, do comment down in the comment section. Moving on to gold, let's move to the higher time frame. On gold, I am bullish on this market, right? So as you can see that this market has been going up, right? It's been going up for a very long time. However, I've been talking about my area of interest, which was this kind of price action that had occurred around this area over here. So what I was saying was, anytime the market reached the high over here, as you can see, it sold, it reached the high, it sold, it reached the high, it sold. And so for me, this was a very interesting area of resistance when the market, especially when the market broke above that particular structure over there. I was expecting that the market was going to give a retracement before it gave us that impulse move to the upside. However, looking at how price is moving at the moment, I do see that maybe that's not going to happen with this particular market. However, it doesn't mean we cannot trade this market going forward, because I can see that the market is indeed continuing to go higher. I would just say to you guys, also just keep on buying this market until maybe it shows you signs of bearishness, right? So if you go to a smaller time frame, maybe the daily time frame, let's see if you're going to see a good price action over. Okay, this is good. So as you can see, the past few weeks the market had created an area of resistance and support around this structure over here. So this was a very obvious range, as you can see. So last week the market, we did find resistance around here for like back, I think it was on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then this was a breakout on Friday. So now that the market has behaved in this manner, for me, I believe all we should wait for is a retracement back to this area over here to retest that structure, and then we can expect the market to give us buying opportunities. However, assuming that the market maybe might end up closing inside this range, if the market then behaves in that manner, it's not a trend smash. All you want to do is to await a retest over here and then sell the market, reach the low, buy the market, because this is a range, and then whichever direction the market breaks, if it breaks below, of course, it's coming for a retracement, and then if it breaks above, it's a continuation. That's all I have on this particular instrument. Pretty much here, there's nothing more that I see. Moving on to US100, let's go to US100 over there. So US100, as you can see, I don't need to go to a higher time frame. If you want to see the overall analysis, you can just watch the past videos, and it's just going to explain to you guys. So as you can see over here, I did speak about how I was expecting the market to continue up, and so far the market has been going up nicely. As you can see, it has been pushing up, giving us those retracements. If you go to a 4-hour time frame, The 4-hour time frame is going to show you over there. So as you can see, the market over here, it broke, gave a retracement, continued, gave a retracement, continued. Now we got a retracement, and so I believe that now the market has done that. This, for the week that is coming, is a very possible trade to look for. So look out for that. Apart from that, I don't see any other thing. The market is bullish at the moment, and for as long as the market is in this bullish trade, I will just continue to buy the market. So for the week that is coming, I'm looking at this low over here and this higher over here as my areas of interest. Of course, as you can see, you saw in the smaller time frame, we did break above and we got a retracement from here. So I expect a continuation, hoping to break above that resistance over there, and then it would be nice to get another retracement to then continue pushing price higher. Apart from that, I don't see any other thing. That's all I have on this market. Moving on to US30. US30, let's move it to a higher time frame. I'm also bullish on this market, right? On the higher time frame, as you can see, the market has been going up, very obvious to see. And then the market this was the highest that it has been before it created this high over here. And then as you can see, the market broke out, and then I was expecting a retracement, which I assume this was, as you can see with that red bearish candlestick over there. So this was a breakout retracement, and then now the market is pushing higher, right? Then breaking above there. So this, as you can see now, this was just a week on a monthly time frame. So now I do see that now that the market is pushing even higher, maybe that this area of resistance is a very strong area where we can expect the market to come to retrace before you can expect overall bias to the upside. So the way you can trade this market is you need to go to a smaller time frame, starting on the daily time frame over there. I do see that last week the market probably ended up, not even last week, a few weeks back, maybe the market ended up finding support over here because of this area, because of this trend line that you can see over there. So now that the market has pushed higher, we also did have an area of resistance around here. As you can see, anytime the market reached that resistance, it reacted accordingly, and then when it was above, it bought. And so now that the market is broken above, it makes sense for us to expect the market to give us a pushback on this area of support before we can get that continuation to the upside. However, I mean, anything could happen. Maybe let's go to a smaller time frame, the 4 hours. I believe you can also see a different price section over there. Let me see if I can find anything over here. I think I do. So if we can drag this, let's draw a box around here like this. So maybe for the week that is coming, maybe the market might not want to come all the way to this low over here. However, I do see that the market, this was a resistance, became support. The market broke out, gave a retest, and then it bought from here. So maybe again it might want to come back for over here, and then you can buy price to this resistance over here. And yeah, man, I feel like that's all I see on this particular instrument at the moment. I am bullish, so maybe again you can pay attention to how price reacts on this resisting trend line. If you see that the market is rejecting, maybe it might want to break below, and then it's gonna come back to this support for us to and then get those bullish buyers. Apart from that, that is all I see on this market. Let's go to GER30, and I'm closing with this one. On GER30, I really don't like how this market is moving. Let me see if we get something on the weekly time frame over there. So on the weekly time frame, as you can see, let me delete this thing over here. So on the weekly time frame, we did get the market breaking below this area of support. Then it broke below over here. My expectation was for the market to give a retracement and then continue lower to this area of support before we can expect the market to continue higher. However, I do see that maybe that was not the case, because looking at this current candlestick over here, the market has closed significantly back inside of this range. So because the market has behaved in that manner, I believe that for the week that is coming, the market is just going to continue going up, right? And this, of course, would be the target where the market could continue to reach. Maybe market is going to continue higher to that resistance. When we reach that area of resistance over there, we can expect the market to sell back to this support, because as you can see, anytime the market had reached that resistance, it sold, and then anytime the market reached the support over here, it bought. And so we're gonna trade it like that. We sell over here, we buy over there, and whichever direction the market ends up breaking again, then if it breaks above, it's a continuation to the upside. If it breaks below, it's a confirmation for that retracement that we are expecting on a smaller time frame. Apart from that, on a higher time frame, that is all I see on this market, guys. Thank you for watching up to this far. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, comment something nice on the channel, and yeah, man, apart from that, with that being said, I love you guys. Thank you for watching up to this far. I'll see you next week, same time, same place, and I am out.